Intensive Practice 5.1, Question 1. Determine whether the following sequence is an arithmetic progression and give justification for answer. Right. So if it's an arithmetic progression, that means the difference will be the same. So what we can do is, to find the difference, we do T2 minus T1. And then we can do T3 minus T2. And we can do T4 minus T3. All of these we must get the same answer, then only it will be an arithmetic progression. Okay. So T2 is the second term, negative 17. T1 is the first term. We get negative 17 minus negative 32. We get 15. Then T3 minus T2. So T3, T2. Negative 2 minus negative 17. We get 15. T4 minus T3. T4 is 13. T3 is negative 2. So 13 minus negative 2. This will also give us 15. So since our D is same, also 15, we can say this is an arithmetic progression. I just write short formula AP. This is an AP. Then we must give justification. Okay, because the value of D is same. Okay. Let me draw a line here. Okay, let's do B. So same thing lah. We do T2 minus T1. And then we do T3 minus T2. Then we do T4 minus T3. So T2 is 5.7, T1 is 8.2. 5.7 minus 8.2. Negative 2.5. Then T3 minus T2. So 3.2 minus 5.7. Negative 2.5. And then T4 minus T3. So 1.7 minus 3.2. We get negative 1.5. Oh, cannot. So this is not an arithmetic progression because these two is same but this is not. So you can say B is not arithmetic progression because the value of D is not constant, or you can say not the same. That's it.